Hey, first graders. Happy Friday. No, I'm not wearing the same thing 2 days in a row. I just happened to tape Thursday and Friday's videos on the same day. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video, go check it out, because I'm wearing this outfit too. So hi. Oh, welcome back. I miss you guys so much. Today we're going to continue working with two-digit numbers. Remember, two-digit numbers are numbers with groups of 10 and ones, and I have my handy dandy cubers here, 10 sticks and ones, again to help us with two-digit numbers. But here's the thing. Mrs. Knievi, I'm home. I don't have cubes at home. That's okay. Neither do I. I made these, but I'm here to help you. If you don't have cubes at home, we can do our own tens and ones just like we did yesterday by drawing our lines and our circles. Our lines to represent our groups of 10 and our circles to draw our ones. I have to say my cubers are very excited to be doing this next activity with you. So today we are learning to, or Walt, we are learning to add to a two-digit number. So I want to just kind of show you what two digits. So I wanted to just show you what two-digit numbers look like. So a two-digit number is a number with tens and ones. So here we have the number 35. 35 is made out of 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. Woo. 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Just in case, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, you better go back and watch it before you watch this one. But just in case, I want to show you my smiley face cubers. So there's the 35. So happy. Miss Knievi, I don't have those at my house. Let me show you. So, 35. Remember, we draw our 10 sticks just as straight lines down. So we have 3 of those, 10, 20, 30, and then 5 ones. And I don't mess around to make them squares or to make them perfect. Nice circles. Easy peasy. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 3 tens, 3 tens, 5 ones, 5 ones, 35, 35. Alrighty. Thank you for your assistance cubers. Come back down. Thank you for my assistance ones cubers. Go back down. Thank you for your patience, first graders. I'm doing the best I can. So let's do it again with the number 71. 71 has how many tens? 7. How many ones? 1. Let's do it. Count with me, please. So I'm going to put up 7 tens. 10, 20, and I'm counting by tens because each 10 stick has 10 cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So let's look here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 1 1. 71. Let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. And how are you going to do it without your cubers and without iReady? Draw a picture. So how many 10 sticks am I drawing? 7. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. It's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And how many ones? 1. Good job. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. So now that we remember how to make two-digit numbers with our 10 sticks and our ones, let's get rid of these cubers. I picture them going, they're so cute with their little smiley faces. Come on, it's time to go. There they are. Okay, so now we're going to add to a two-digit number. Yesterday, when we did our adding, we added on 10 sticks. Today, we're going to add on ones. And the way we'll know the difference is because our equation, our second number is in the ones column. So we're going to do just like how we did yesterday, where we're going to stack up our two numbers vertically up and down so that they're nice and organized. So we have 52 plus 6. So if I have 52, I have 5 tens and 2 ones. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. 52. Plus 6. 6 ones. This number is just the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we add, we start with the ones column. So count the ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put my 8 under the ones. And then I'm going to count how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tens didn't change, so I can just bring down the 5, and that makes sense because there's nothing here. After you add it, adding the ones and then the tens, you count your equation to make sure it's correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58. Can't tell anyone. I have an easy method for you, but we can't always use it. But we can today. My secret method is called the counting on method. So, and let's see, I'm just going to put a line through here. So, yes, we can draw out our tens of one and ones. Of course, I love that. But we can also count on. We have a really big number. 52 is a really big number to count. And then we have a small number, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not as hard to count. It goes by fast. What we can do is we can write 52 and then draw 6 circles. I said and draw 6 circles in case you couldn't hear me. I'm being so sneaky. Then watch this. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. I got the same answer. Like I said, not always. We can't always do this, but today we can. So we'll try it again together with our next equation, both ways. So, first, the more traditional, the more proper way. So 48 has how many tens? 4. And how many ones? 1. No, 8. Sorry. That's 8 ones. Geez Louise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. plus one more, add one more one. When we add, count the ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. I make sure I put it under the ones column. And then how many tens? 4 tens still. And let's double check by counting. 10, 20, 30, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Awesome. You want to do it the other way? Me too. So, what number do I start with? Which is the bigger number, 48 or 1? Yeah, 48. And now how many extra circles do I need to draw? 1. Ready? Let's do it together. 48, 49. Nice. And if you look, whether we did it the proper traditional way, by counting our tens and ones, we got 49. Or if we do it our secret way, 49. Woo, and my yellow didn't really show up there, but guess what? For the last equation, they did it to us again. They made it horizontal. And guess what? Your work, horizontal. But if you print out the work paper, the worksheet, or if you write it yourself, on the worksheet, I gave you so much space, like a ton of space. So if you print out your work, there's plenty of space for you to take your equation, make it vertical, draw your picture. If you're writing it on a piece of paper to submit your work, just make sure you give yourself enough space. So let's see. Let's use a different color. Where's that pink? I can't find it. I really like that pink. Oh, there it is. On the floor. Okay. When we have two-digit equations and they're horizontal like that, that's fine, but it does help to make it vertical so you can line up your tens and your ones. So I'm going to do that first. So 24 plus 3. All right, and look, those of you everyone now watched yesterday's video because I told you to, if you didn't. I gave myself enough space to write the answer here. Boom. So let's draw our 24. 24 has how many 10 sticks? 2 tens, good. And how many ones? 4, very nice. And then our second number 3 is how many ones? Not a trick question, 3, nice. When we add our ones first. And I'm telling you this now because next week we're going to keep working on this, so next week I'll expect you to know it on your own. So, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. And how many tens? 1, 2. There are none here. 2. So, 24 plus 3 is 27. I'm going to use a different color so I don't get all of our stuff confused. 27. Yay. And can I be super annoying and just show you this too? So if I were to just use this, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 tens this way too. So it doesn't matter if you make it vertical and draw the numbers, if you just use your tens and ones, you're still going to get the same answer. Let's do it the other way. I'll get a different color marker. So, which number is bigger for us to count on? 24 or 3? 24 is the bigger number, so that's the number I'm going to just write down. And now how many little dots am I going to draw after it to count on from 24? Three. Nice. All right, can you help me count? 24, 25, 26, 27. Again, 27. How many times can I write 27? Boom shakalaka. Alrighty. And that's all I have for you. So when you are in your calendar, there's under my video, it's going to say, click here for follow-up work. You just click right there and a worksheet will pop up. Either you print it and do the work right on the worksheet, or you just write on a piece of paper the equations. There's not that many equations. And I want to see which way you do your work. Are you going to draw your tens and ones the proper traditional way? Are you going to count on by writing the bigger number and then drawing the smaller number to count on? Let me know, and I will know because after you do the work, you're going to take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. Alrighty, happy Friday. I miss you all so much. I'll see you next week for math time.